Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me, and today I decided to surprise you with a lesson. I'm still in Kenya. Today is apparently the last day right here in Kenya. I'm very sad, but well, life has to go on. Now I decided to make a lesson concentrating on transport and commuting, and today I'm going to teach you some of those few things that we use while we move from one point to the other, from point A to B. And for example, if you want to travel and somebody asks you, where are you traveling to? This is what you say. Ũrathiĩ kũ? Ũrathiĩ kũ? Ũrathiĩ kũ? Now, let's say for example you want to ask somebody, when are you traveling? This is what you ask. This is what you say. Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? Now, let's say for example you want to ask somebody, with whom are you traveling with? Or who is traveling with you? This is how you say it. Mũrathiĩ naũ? Mũrathiĩ naũ? Mũrathiĩ is traveling. Now is with who? Mũrathiĩ naũ? Mũrathiĩ naũ? Now, I'm going to go back and give you one more slower step-by-step lesson. And back to my second point. When are you traveling? Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? When is ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? When are you traveling? Ũrathiĩ is traveling. Thaa cigana is when. It's like when or what time. Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? Thaa is the time. Cigana is exact time, specific time. Ũrathiĩ is going or traveling. Thaa cigana, thaa is the time. Cigana is like asking what time. Ũrathiĩ thaa cigana? Let's say for example you want to say, I'm going at 7 in the morning. This is how you say it. Ndĩrathiĩ thaa ĩmwe rũcinĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ is going, thaa time, ĩmwe one, rũcinĩ morning. Ndĩrathiĩ thaa ĩmwe rũcinĩ. Ndĩrathiĩ thaa ĩmwe rũcinĩ. Now, let's go back to the first point that I taught you, and that was when you are asking, where are you going? Ũrathiĩ kũ? Ũrathiĩ is going or traveling. Kũ is where. Ũrathiĩ kũ? Ũrathiĩ kũ? Ũrathiĩ kũ? Kũ is where. Let's say for example you want to be very specific and say, I'm going to Nairobi. Ndĩrathiĩ Nairobi. Ndĩrathiĩ is going or traveling. Nairobi is the place. Now, We are going to go to the modes of transport, and I'm going to teach you the nouns. Let's say, for example, you are using the bus. That's how we call it. Bathi. Bathi. Let's say, for example, you are traveling by train. This is how you call a train. Mogithi. 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 Now, when you are here in Kenya, you know about SGR train, and maybe you want to be very specific and tell someone you are traveling by SGR train. This is how you say it. Mogithi wa SGR. Mogithi wa SGR. Now, let's say, for example, you want to travel by bicycle. This is how you say, you call a bicycle. Moithikiri. 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 Now, let's say, for example, you are traveling by plane. This is what you call it. Dege. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to tell somebody you are traveling abroad. This is what you say. Deradie roraya. Deradie roraya. Deradie is traveling. Roraya, abroad. Deradie roraya. Deradie roraya. And maybe you want to be very specific and say where you are going to or where you are traveling to. And maybe you want to say you're traveling to USA. This is how you say it. Deradie USA. Deradie USA. Deradie is going. USA is where you are going to. In this case, you don't have to say Roraya because you are already talking about USA. So Roraya, which means abroad, replaces USA. Deradie USA. Now, maybe you want to be specific about time and say you are traveling to USA on Saturday. This is how you say it. Dadie or Deradie USA Juma. Deradie, which is traveling, USA, the place, Juma, Saturday. Deradie USA Juma. Or you can even say Gadie, which means the future, USA Juma. Juma is Saturday. Gadie USA Juma. Gadie USA Juma. Now, for example, you've traveled and you are coming back. Now, you want to ask someone, when are you coming back? This is how you say it. Oga shokari. Oga shokari. Oga shoka is when are you coming back? Oga shoka re. Re is like the specific timing or when. Oga shoka is that adjective of coming back, and re is like when. So you say Oga shoka re. And maybe you want to say I'll be coming back on Sunday. This is how you say it. Gashoka. Sorry. Let's say, for example, you want to say you are coming back on Monday. This is how you say it. Gashoka Jumatatu. Gashoka Jumatatu. Gashoka is like talking about the future when you are coming back. Ushoka is coming back. Jumatatu is Monday. Gashoka Jumatatu. Gashoka Jumatatu. Even when you want to say you are coming back on Sunday, you can say Gashoka Kiumia. Gashoka Kiumia. Kiumia is Sunday. Gashoka is the future. You are coming back on Sunday. Gashoka Kiumia. Gashoka Kiumia. Now, I'm going to end this video right here. I wish you all a beautiful, beautiful Friday. Beautiful, beautiful Friday to everyone who is right here in Kenya. A beautiful sunny day and even a peaceful start to the weekend. To all of you who are outside Kenya, I wish you all also a beautiful, beautiful start of the weekend and even a beautiful Friday. For those who are experiencing winter wherever you are, we wish you all a nice winter Friday afternoon, morning, or even evening. I'm hoping to catch with you soon. I'm hoping to go back to my normal schedule. With those few words, I just want to thank you all for being very supportive to me, and even for the loyal subscribers to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Make sure you go down there, click the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments down there. I'll be soon catching back to all of you and replying to your comments very soon when I go back where I stay. For now, adios. Bye.